morning everyone. Myself Benazir, lecturer in chemistry, TTWRDC, Women's Medak. Today my topic is, today we will discuss about coordination chemistry. So first of all, what is the coordination chemistry? The definition of coordination chemistry: compounds composed of a metal, atoms or ions and one or more ligands. Actually, atoms, ions are molecules. What is that atoms? Atom is nothing but it is a tiny particles. Is it right? Atom is a tiny particles and molecules nothing but the number of atoms. Is it right? Next one, that are formally donating electrons to the metal center. What is that? Coordination chemistry is nothing but compounds composed of a metal, atoms or ion and one or more ligands that are formally donating electrons to the metal center. Next one, coordination compound. What is the coordination compounds? The complex compounds are special class of compounds in which the metal atoms or ions are bonds to a number of anions and neutral molecules, maybe in the presence of anions or neutrals. In modern terminology, these compounds are called coordination compounds. In the structure, the pink color is the central metal atom. M nothing but acting as the central metal atom. L nothing but is the green color, it is the acting as the ligands. How many metals and how many ligands are present? Only one central metal atom is present and 6 ligands are present. Okay. Next, complexes compounds. What is that complexes compound definition? The compounds that have complex ion are called complex compounds. As the central metal ion in the complex ion forms dative or coordinative covalent bonds with the species surrounding it, complexes ions are also known as coordinate ions. So what is that? In the presence of only coordinate bond. Okay, the coordinate bond nothing but the sharing of electron. Is it right? Next one, the complex compound also called as the what is that? Also called as coordinate ions. Next one, Venus theory. What is that Venus theory here? In Venus theory, in coordination compounds, metal atoms exhibits two valencies. What are they? The primary valencies and secondary valency. The primary valency, it corresponds to only oxidation state. Secondary valency, it corresponds to coordination number. Okay, the Venus theory, there are how many types? There are two types, primary valencies and secondary valency. Primary valency, its only corresponds to the oxidation state only. The secondary valencies, its corresponds to only coordination number. What is that coordinate number? Nothing but the number of ligands, atoms bonded directly to the central metal ion. Okay. What is that? The Venus theory, the drawbacks are there. Here, what is the drawbacks of Venus theory? It doesn't explain why only certain elements form coordination compounds. It is the first drawback. Second one, it does not explain why the bonds in coordination compounds have directional properties. Third one, it does not explain the color and the magnetic and optical properties of complexes. Okay. Next one, it is the drawbacks of Venus theory. Next, Werner's modern electronic theory of valencies. Are you able to see my structures? There are in structure, the outer spheres and inner spheres both are present. Applications of Werner's theory to cobalt-3 amines. The cobalt, nothing but the chemical form is CO. CO also carbon monoxide, but oxygen, nothing but C is the capital, O is the small. It is called as the cobalt. C and O same size, it is called as the carbon monoxide. What is that? Some applications are there. What are the applications? COCl3, 6 moles of amines or ammonia. It gives rise to 6 AgCl and CONH3 taken 6 Cl3. There are how many chlorines are present? 3 chlorines are present. Okay. Next one, COCl3 and 5 moles of NH3. It gives rise to 2 moles of AgCl and square bracket, open the bracket of CONH3 taken 2 Cl2. There are how many chlorines are present? 2 chlorines are present. Next one, COCl3, 4 moles of NH3. It gives rise to only 1 AgCl. What is that AgCl? Nothing but silver chloride. Okay, CONH3 taken 4 Cl2. How many chlorines are present in this reaction? Only 1 chlorine is present. Fourth one, COCl3, 3 NH3. It gives rise to no AgCl. There is no silver chlorides. Why? Because there is no chloride ions are present. So, what is that? On heating with HCl, these 4 reactions, nothing but cobalt chloride in the presence of amines, they are heating with HCl at 373 kelvins. Cobalt amines does not evolve NH3. It is important point. What is that? On heating with HCl at 373 kelvins, cobalt amines does not evolve NH3. Next one, primary valencies of cobalt is 3. The secondary valencies is 6. Now only I told you what is different between primary valencies and secondary valencies. The primary valencies, it's only corresponds to the, what is that? Oxidation state. Secondary valencies, its corresponds to only, what is that? Coordinate number. All the compounds differs in their reactivity. The applications of Werner's theory is completed. Next important topic, ligands or classifications or types, etc. So, what is that ligands? Here, ligands nothing but the molecule or ions which are coordinated to the metal atom or ions. Example, you have to take Ml6. M nothing but central metal atom, L nothing but ligand. 6 nothing but how many? Hexa. Okay. So what is that Ml6 name? Hexa. 6 nothing but hexa. Otherwise Ml5 nothing but penta. Okay. So what is that? Example, K4FeCN6. What is that? K4FeCN6 name? Potassium ferrocyanide. How many cyanide groups are there? 6 cyanide groups or 6 cyanides ligands are present. Okay. Coordinated by Fe2 plus and are the ligands. Ligands can be negative ions or positive ions or neutral molecules. Ligands, they having, particularly it is not belongs to negative ions or not positive and not neutral. Maybe or can be negative ions or positive ions or neutral ions or neutral molecules. Okay. Ligands are Lewis bases. Central metal atoms or ions is Lewis acid. So what is different between acids and base? Acid nothing but what is that acid and base. The pH values is different. Next one, types of ligands. How many types of ligands here? There are 3 types of ligands. How many types of ligands? 3 types of ligands. Mono or unidentate ligand. Second one is poly or multidentate ligand. Third one is ambidentate ligand. What is that? Monodentate ligand, nothing but one donor atom or one point of attachment and can coordinate with the metal ion at only one site in a complex. Okay. Polydentate nothing but 2. Ambidentate nothing but more than 2. Okay. So ambidentate ligand here, if a ligand has 2 or more donor atom, complex is formed only one donor atom is attached to that metal. 2 examples are there. First example is nitrito N. Second example, nitrito oxygen. Okay, both are colored complexes. Which complexes? Colored complexes. Nitrito N nothing but it is the yellow color complexes, and nitrito oxygen belongs to it is the red complexes. Okay. Next, monodentate. Monodentate also known as unidentate ligand. Mono nothing but only one. Unidentate also one. Both are same. Okay. Polydentate nothing but 2 or more. Okay. So example of mono or unidentate ligands. What is that here? One donor atom or one point of attachment and can coordinate with the metal ion at only one site in a complex. Examples are Cl minus, ammonia NH3 and H2O, etc. Example H2O. The M is the arrow marks is the central metal atom, or M nothing but atom. Here H2O nothing but oxygen is the central metal atom. Why in the presence of H2O, oxygen is central metal atom and both hydrogens are normal ligands? Because compared to oxygen, hydrogen, the oxygen they having more electronegativity. Is it right? Next point, poly or multidentate ligand. Poly or multidentate ligand. What is that? Poly or multidentate ligands nothing but 2 or more donor atom or points of attachments. Polydentate ligands are further classified by base nothing but 2, tris nothing but 3. Okay, and hexadentate. Some examples of polydentate. What are they? Oxalate and ethylene diamine. The ethylene diamine, it is represented by short form is EN. Okay. Next one, diacetyl oxime. Next example 2,2 dipyridyl. Next acetyl acetonate. Okay. These belongs to the ligands and types of ligands with examples. Okay. Next one, coordination number. I told you what is the coordination number. The number of ligands, atoms bonded directly to the central metal ion specific for the given metal ion or particular oxidations. Examples, CONH3 taken 6. Taken 6 nothing but 6. How many ligands are present? 6 ligands of ammonia, and cobalt is the acting as the central metal atom. CONH3 taken 6. What is that name? Hexaamine cobalt 3 chlorine, or CONH3 taken 6 nothing but hexaamine cobalt. So what is that? Ligands are how many? 6. What are their ligands? NH3. Okay, coordination number same, ligands also same. Next, Ag NH3 taken 2. So coordination number 2 and ligands also 2. What is that? Coordination number NH3 2 and ligands also 2. Amines are only 2 taken 2. Next is CO En taken 3. En nothing but now only I told you what is that? Ethylene diamine. CON taken 3. The coordination number 6 and ligands are 3. Next one, what is that? Geometry of complexes is related to CN. CN nothing but not cyanide molecule. Here CN nothing but the short form of coordination number. So when coordination number 2, the shape is linear shape. Okay. Next, if coordination number 4, it is belongs to tetrahedral in the presence of d power 10 configurations. Otherwise, d power 8 configuration, it belongs to square planar. Okay. Next, coming to coordination number 5. When coordination number 5, there are two shapes. What is that? Trigonal bipyramidal and square pyramidal. Next, coordination number 6. When the coordination number 6, it belongs to octahedral. Actually, octahedral nothing but 8. Two ligands are behind this side or back side. Okay. Next one, complex ion. What is that? Complex ion. Here, a complex ion has a metal ion at its center with a number of other molecules or ions surrounded it. Example, FeH2O taken 6. Here, iron, it is the acting as a central metal atom. Remaining 6 aqua, nothing but water molecules are acting as a ligands. Okay, coordination chemistry or coordination compounds always represented as square bracket symbol. Another example, AlF6. Here also aluminium acting as a central metal atom. Remaining fluorines are 6 ligands, nothing but fluorines surrounded by the central metal atom. Next one, CONH3 taken 6. It is also hexa. So here also cobalt is a central metal atom. Remaining 6 amines are ligands. Another example, CuNH3 taken 4, H2O taken 2. Now here H2O taken 2. How many ligands are present in the fourth example, ma? There are two types of ligands are present. What are there? First one, amines are 4 and 2 water molecules. Central metal atom as usual, copper. Okay. So what is the IUPAC name of CuNH3 taken 4, H2O taken 2? Anyone? So tetraamine diaqua copper 2 ions. Next point, what is that? What is next one? Coordination sphere. What is the coordination sphere? Here CONH3 taken 6, close the bracket. CO is the central metal atom. NH3 is that coordination number. How many ligand? 6. It belongs to coordination number. What is the oxidation number? In the close bracket, in the above side 3 plus, it is the oxidation number. Next one, charge number of complex ion. Charge number of complex ion. What is that? The net charge carried by complex ion. Charge number of FeCN6. What is that IUPAC name of FeCN6? Hexacyanide iron. Otherwise FeCN6 nothing but hexacyanoferrite. Hexacyanoferrite. Okay. What is that? The charge of Fe2 plus is 6. Okay. So what is that? Iron oxidation charge always plus 2. And how many ligands? 6. So how can you write? Plus 2 into plus 6 into minus. The answer is minus 4. You have to try another example. CuNH3 taken 4, 3 minus. Next, FeCN taken 5, 3 minus. Okay, you have to try. Next one, coordination polyhedron. What is the coordination polyhedron? Nothing but the spatial arrangement of ligand atoms directly attached to the central atom. How many types are there? There are 5 types are there. What are they? Square planar and tetrahedral and trigonal bipyramidal and square pyramidal and octahedral. Total 5. Next one, Sedgwick electron theory. It is the important point. What is that? The Sedgwick electron theory. Nothing but the ligands donate the electrons pair to the central metal ion and thus form a number of coordinate bonds. Okay. Already I told you the coordination compound, it is a totally depending on the central metal atom and ligand and metal. Okay. So in this Sedgwick electron theory, you have to see Pt, nothing but central metal atom, and remaining Cl2 and NO2 taken 2 and NH3 taken 2. How many ligands are present in the Sedgwick electron theory of example? Here there are 3 types of ligands are present, or 3 types of ligands surrounded by the central metal atom. Each one 2, NO2 2 types, and chlorine also 2, NH3 also 2. So totally 6 ligands are surrounded by the central metal atom. What is the central metal atom here? Platinum. Next one, EAN. It is also important one. What stands for EAN? Nothing but effective atomic number. Effective atomic number, the chemical formula or general equation Z minus X plus Y. What stands for Z and X and Y? We will see that. What is that? Z nothing but atomic number of the metal. Z nothing but atomic number of the metal, and X nothing but the number of electron lost during the formation of the metal ion from the atoms. Y nothing but number of electrons donated by the ligands. Example, Fe taken 6 minus 4. Fe nothing but iron. What is the iron atomic number? 26. Now only I told you Z nothing but you have to take atomic number. What is that here central metal atom? Iron. So iron atomic number is 2. Iron oxidation charge always +2. What is Y here? 6. Nothing but number of ligands. So what is the formula of EAN? Z minus X plus Y. First you have to write the Z. What is that? 26 atomic number of iron. X nothing but the oxidation charge of iron. 2 plus number of ligands. How many? 6 into 2. So what is that? 36. You have to try that another examples. Next one, nomenclature writing complex compounds. What is that? The formula of the cation, whether it is simple or complex, is written first, followed by that of the anions. Example, Na4, Fe6, cyanides here, anions, and sodium Na4 nothing but here cation. Cation they having positive charge and anion they having negative charge. Within a coordination sphere, the metal atom as well as the ligands are listed without any space between them. Example, you have to see that CONH3 taken 4, H2O, Cl, Cl2. What is the chemical, what is the IUPAC name? Tetraamine aqua chloro cobalt 3 chlorides. Next one, nomenclature naming. Lithium, open the bracket, AlH4. What is the nomenclature here? Lithium hydridoaluminate 3. Next one, Na3, CONO taken 2, NO2 taken 6, cobalt 8. What is the nomenclature here? Sodium hexanitrito, N, capital N. Next one, AgNH3 taken 2, NO. What is that? IUPAC name is diamine. How many amines are present? NH2 taken 2. 2 nothing but how many? Di. So amines nothing but NH3. Ag nothing but silver. So what is that? Diamine silver 1 nitrite. Next one, K nothing but potassium, and AU nothing but Rm, and Cn nothing but cyanide. So what is that? Au nothing but Rm, it is also called as a gold. Okay, potassium tetracyanoaurate 3 ions. Next example, NiCN taken 4. Tetracyanoniclate 2 ions. Okay. Next one, very important part. What is that? Isomerism in coordination compounds. What is that isomerism here? The same formula but different properties is called as the isomerism. In the coordination compounds, the isomerisms are divided into two types. What are they? Stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. What is the stereoisomerism? Again divided into how many types? The again divided into two types, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Next one, structural isomerism. Again structural isomerism divided into four types. What are they? Linkage isomerism and ionization isomerism and coordination isomerism and hydrate isomerism. So the hydrate isomerism, it is also called as the solvate isomerism. Okay. Next, structural isomerism. What is that structural isomerism here? If a ligand like the NO2 group at the bottom of the complex can bind to the metal with one or another atom as the donor atom, linkage isomerism are formed. Okay. Next, stereoisomerism. In the stereoisomerism, the geometric isomerism, with these geometric isomerism, two chlorines and two amines groups are bounded to the platinum metals. Okay. So what is the structure here? Pt and NH3 taken 2 and Cl taken 2 are Cl taken 2 and NH3 taken 2. How many ligands are present? Two different type of ligands. What are they? One is NH3, another one is the chlorine. What is the central metal atom here? Platinum. So, in the geometrical isomerism, there are again two types, cis isomerism and trans isomerism. What is the cis isomerism? Have like a group on the same side. Cis nothing but both are same side. Trans nothing but it is the opposite sides. Example, you have to see that geometrical isomerism. Example, Ma2B2, Ma2B2. A is different and B is different. So, Ma, how many types of A? 2A and 2Bs. M nothing but central metal atom. So, BB same side, AA same side. It is called as a cis isomerism. Trans isomerism nothing but like this. Here A and here also A. Here B and here also B. It is the trans isomerism. Okay. Examples, trans PTNH2 taken to Cl2 and cis PTNH3 taken to Cl2. What is that? Cis nothing but same side and trans nothing but opposite sides. Okay. Next, coming to optical isomerism. Optical isomerism, it is also called as the stereoisomerism. What is that? Here, other stereoisomerism called optical isomerism are enantiomers, are mirror images of each other. Just as a right hand will not fit into left glove. So, example, you have to see that it's the right hand here. Here like this, it is a fitted knot. Okay. So, it is then not fit into a left glove. Two enantiomers cannot be superimposed on each other. Example, here like this, otherwise. Next example, next isomerism. What is that? Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism, ions present in coordination compound. Ions present in coordination compounds. Examples, CONH3 taken 5 SO4 Br. What is the name? Pentaamine bromido 3 sulfate. How many amines are present? 5 types of amines. So, amines here acting as a ligand. Okay. It is a red violet, red color, red violet. How can you write that? CONH3 taken 5 SO4 plus Br minus. Another one, another example of ionization isomerism. CONH3 taken 5 Br SO4. What is different between first example and second example? In this square, out of this square bracket bromine, here bromine is inside of the bracket. Okay, but color is different. Here also that one is a red violet color. It is only red color. How can you write that? CONH3 taken 5 Br plus SO4 2 minus. It is divided into positive, nothing but cation and anion, positive charge and negative charges. Next isomerism is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism definition is same molecular formula but different in linkage of the compounds. I will repeat again. What is the definition of linkage isomerism? Same molecular formula, nothing but molecular formula is same but different linkages of ligands is called as linkage isomerism. Examples are there. What is that? Here FeCl2NO2 taken close bracket. Next one FeCl3ONO close bracket. So what is that? Thus both are same molecular formula. What is that molecular formula here? FeCl2 and NO2. So second one is FeCl2ONO. What is the maximum? The same molecular formula but linkage is different. Are you able to see that structure? Here first you have to draw the central metal atom of iron. Remaining how many chlorines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chlorines you have to draw. And next NO2. In the nitrogen attached to 2 oxygen molecules. Next example FeCl5ONO. So how can you write? Fe, how many chlorines? 5 chlorines and ONO. The linkage is different but same chemical formula or same molecular formula. It belongs to linkage isomerism. Next isomerism is coordination isomerism. Interchange of ligands. Interchange of ligands. Example ZnNH3 taken 4 plus 2 CuCl4 2. So what is that arrow mark symbol? Nothing but the central metal atom Zn and copper changes. So what is that name? Tetraamine zinc 2. Another one tetraamine cuprate 2. Okay. Next tetraamine copper 2 and tetraamine zincate 2. So what is different? The zinc and copper is replaced to each other. Next isomerisms are hydrate isomerism. What is that hydrate isomerism? Same molecular formula but different in water molecules inside and outside. What is that? I will repeat again. Hydrate isomerism. Hydrate nothing but in the presence of water molecules. Here same molecular formula but different in water. Different water molecules inside and outside. Example Cl3 and 6 moles of water molecules. So you have to see the structure. Hexa, aqua, chromium 3 chloride. So structure is that chromium is central metal atom, remaining 6H2O, nothing but how many moles of water molecules here? 6 moles of water molecules. And remaining Cl3 nothing but outside, nothing but chlorine molecules are outside. Next one penta aqua chlorido chromium 3 chloride hydrate. Here acting as the chromium is the central metal atom. Penta aqua nothing but number of water molecules are 5. Number of water molecules are 5 and in the presence of 1 chlorine. Here also looking like a octahedral structure. But what is different? In the first structure, 6 moles of water molecules. In the second structure, 5 moles of water molecule and 1 mole of chlorine molecule. Next one, tetra, aqua, dichlorido, chromium 3, chloride, dihydrate. What is different between the first one and second one and third one? Tetra, nothing but how many? 4. Tetra, aqua, nothing but number of water molecules are 4. How many chlorines are present? 2 chlorines are present. How many 2 chlorines are present? And 4 water molecules are present. Okay. So, what is different between first structure and second structure here? First structure, 6 moles of water molecules, nothing but all 6 water molecules are ligands. Second structure, the 5 water molecules and 1 chlorine is present. So, it is also looking like a octahedral structure. Third structure, there are 4 water molecules and 2 chlorine molecules. It is the hydrate isomerism. What is the hydrate isomerism? Same molecular formula but different water molecules. Water molecules are decreasing or increases in the structure. They are automatically decreasing. In the first structure, 6 water molecules and second structure, 4 water molecules are present, and third structure, second structure, there are 5 water molecules are present, and third structure, there are 4 water molecules are present and remaining 2 are chlorines. Okay, thank you.